today to celebrate Tom's birthday. Yay! We're going to go and do something really super fun, which is called
twirling.
It's a Tibetan dance thing. Okay, cool, let's go. Hey guys, it's the next day. We're all pretty sore from all of the dancing, but we had an amazing time. We danced from, what was it, like 11 till 4:30?
Yeah.
Yeah, about that.
Yeah, so today we are feeling it because, you know, we're not as fit as we could be.
And it's slow dancing, but it's all the time.
Yeah.
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 Yeah,
And our hamstrings are so tight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But it was really good.
Mm.
Like, it was so much fun. And I never even knew about the type of dancing, but what's it called specifically?
It is called Khaita, which is Khaita dancing. It's Khaita is a Tibetan word, and it means harmony in space.
Ah.
And it's supposed to it's kind of built around the idea that when you're dancing, you're supposed to remain present, so that you are being mindful of your movements and being mindful of the people that you're dancing with, so you're all moving in harmony. And it's a fun way of working with mindfulness, which isn't just kind of going about day-to-day business. You know, you're actually doing something kind of fun.
Yeah, so it's like meditation in movement.
That's right.
Yeah, it was really good, and there was this amazing bit at the end, which unfortunately we didn't catch on camera because we were all actually dancing, where we had scarves.
Mm.
And it was so beautiful. And then the teacher lady, who was lovely, kept giving us new additional things to be mindful of. So in one of them, only the people on the outside had the scarves, and then on the inside circle they didn't. And then we had to exchange scarves.
Oh yeah, but then there was only...
But then the very last one, we only were allowed to exchange scarves when the person was singing. And oh my gosh, like the amount of brain power and being in the moment that took. It was just so good.
Whilst also trying to remember the steps.
Oh, yeah.
that you just learned.
Yeah. And we learned like 5 dances, right?
Yeah. Can you remember any of them now?
I remember the scarf dance.
Yeah, there was the side steppy one and the twizzly one.
The twizzly one.
The twizzly one.
I don't remember the twizzly one.
And the back and forth one.
Step, step, step.
The back and forth
step,
one.
Step, step, kick one.
Oh, step, kick.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think that's the one that did the back of my hamstrings.
Yeah. So, if
But yeah, it was
you
so
are
good.
interested in Tibetan dancing, then we will put the links to this particular place, which was, where was it, Tom?
It's called Lek Danling in London.
In London.
Hackney area.
Hackney, cool.
Yeah.
We'll put all the links in the description so you can go and check them out.
And it was super fun. Like, if you're interested in a different type of form of mindfulness or meditation where you're not sat still, I'd definitely try it out because it was really, really fun. So massive thank you to Tom for suggesting it as his birthday party.
Well,
well, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, it's my birthday, I'm older.
Woo! Got to live an extra year. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
And we'll be seeing Tom in more videos.
Yes.
You're like, "Wahaha, most definitely."
Oh yes, we will.
It's like, you did not clear this with my agent first.
This outro is turning into quite an epic. It's going to be longer than the dancing.
I charge a lot of commission.
Okay, so what you guys obviously can tell is that when we were filming, we only filmed the dancing and we only filmed us going in.
Yeah.
But basically, the three of us together, there's a lot of this.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun.
So we'll try and keep this as short as possible, so it's not like 3 times as long as the video.
10 minutes. Yeah.
But anyway, all the links are below, and we hope you enjoyed this vlog. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
What's up?
What's up, peeps?
Morning.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah, no problem. You guys are like, yeah, that works.
Just go for it.
Just start talking.